Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Did you know that in order to evaluate skilled workers applying for Australia's skilled visas, one skill assessment organization for such purpose is VETASSESS? Australia's PR visa application procedure can be challenging, and less than one-third of applicants that begin the procedure are mostly successful. At the skill assessment step, the bulk of these documents are also rejected. You must be familiar with the fundamentals of the VETASSESS in order for your application to be successful. The top 5 facts of Australia's VETASSESS assessment are covered in this video. We'll provide you with additional information about what it is, what it includes, and advice to make the process go more smoothly. Here are the top 5 informational items and advice about your VETASSESS application. 1. Be familiar with your job description and profession. You must familiarize yourself with how your employment is categorized before starting the process of obtaining your General Skilled Migration Visa. When beginning the assessment procedure, immigrants to Australia should refer to one of the 2 lists of jobs maintained by VETASSESS. The 189 Occupation List and the 190 Occupation List are the 2 listings. These lists include the professions that have been proposed for the VETASSESS skills evaluation. There will be a job title, an ANZCO code, and a matching skills agency for every occupation. 2. No language proficiency is required. You must speak English to qualify for several job applications and certifications in Australia, but with the VETASSESS evaluation, that is not the case. People from all around the world who want to immigrate can apply for skilled labor. You'll need some familiarity with the English language to carry out your work obligations effectively. Additionally, it's conceivable that the employer you select will communicate with staff members in your native tongue. 3. Ensure that you have your supporting documentation. Providing VETASSESS with the appropriate documents is a necessary part of the VETASSESS evaluation process. When you attend your skills assessment, VETASSESS will want 3 distinct sorts of documentation from you. Your identity documents make up the first batch of paperwork. To establish your identification, VETASSESS requests that you submit a current copy of your passport and a passport-sized photograph. 35mm by 45mm is the proper size for your photograph. The next set of paperwork needed by VETASSESS will be credentials documentation. Finally, VETASSESS will request that you submit documentation that attests to your employment history together with a current CV. 4. Understand the VETASSESS groups. The VETASSESS procedure divides occupations into 6 groups based on a worker's skill level. The letters for the groupings are A through F. An ANZSCO skill level relates to each skill group. Groups A and B match the first ANZSCO skill level. Anyone having a bachelor's, master's, or doctoral degree from Australia is eligible to apply for these positions. However, each group has more specific requirements for each candidate. 5. The cost of your VETASSESS evaluation. You should budget for the associated costs when requesting to take your VETASSESS assessment. Depending on the skills assessment you want to take, the costs may vary. You will have to pay $962 if applying from outside Australia and $1,058.20 if applying as a resident of Australia, which takes 10 to 12 weeks to complete. Priority processing is available from VETASSESS if you require your evaluation right away. However, priority processing will cost you additional $623 for overseas applicants and $685.30 for residents of Australia. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.